This robot vacuum has legs, and it cleans while climbing stairs. Meet the Roborock Saros Rover, the first RoboVac ever built with a wheel-leg system instead of just wheels. At CES 2026, it shocked everyone by walking upstairs, stopping to clean each step, then folding its legs away and rolling off like a normal vacuum. It can climb straight stairs, curved stairs, ramps, and uneven surfaces using AI, motion sensors, and 3D mapping to balance itself in real time. It can even hop small gaps and pivot in tight spaces. This is the future of cleaning. Do you want one?